In this video, I will show you how to send GIFs on TikTok Live. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on TikTok on my profile page. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come onto the live. So what I'm going to do is come down and press home to go onto my feed. And what I'm going to do is come up to the search box at the top, and I'm just going to search for live to see if there's any current live feeds. So you can see there's one here. So I'm going to give this a press to enter into the live feed. And to send a gift on TikTok Live, if you come down to the bottom to your toolbar, you're going to see this gift icon just down here. Now what we need to do is go ahead and press onto this gift icon. What you can then do is choose to send a gift. So you can scroll through and see we've got a different number of gifts. Each of these has a different value. So for example, you can see the heart puff costs 1 coin, the finger heart is 5 coins, and so on and so forth. Now, as long as you have the available balance, you can of course choose a gift to send. If you don't have a balance, just come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the recharge button. Then what you can do is purchase your coins from here, and of course once you've got the coins you can then go ahead and use that to send GIFs on TikTok Live. So that's how to send GIFs on TikTok Live. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.